it's another second part of the investment banking. Investment banking research analyst analyzes the stocks and bonds and various stocks, and nothing but what I mean to say is nothing but research analyst will analyze the stocks and bonds and recommend whether the stock to hold or sell or buy. And the job of the research analyst is to review the company and write the report of the prospects of the company and give the buy and sell rating. And some of the research analysts focus on the equity, while 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 others give the attention to the fixed income securities such as the bonds. And actively research activity itself, it does not generate a lot of income, and it influencing in buying and selling of the shares. Okay, and because of this, selling and trading earns more fees. So reputable research analysts are very important because it's a part of the investment banking team. Okay, they earn a lot of hefty money. And another side of the investment banking is nothing but syndicate. The hub of the investment banking wheel is nothing but syndicate provides a vital link between the salespeople and corporate finance. Syndicate exists to facilitate the placing of the securities in public firm and public offering, and knock down the drag out of the affair between the among buyers of the offering and investment banking managing the process. In corporate or municipal debt deal, syndicate is also determine the allocation of the bond. It's nothing but how much allocation of the bond. And it's we go to the different kinds of the differences. Nothing but what is the difference between the commercial banks and the investment bank. Commercial banks are the banks which accept the deposit from the customers and lend to the individuals, and investment bankers helps the clients to rising of the capital by acting as intermediate between the buyer and seller of the securities. Investment bank don't take the deposits from the customers; they take the deposits. Investment bank don't own the securities; they act as intermediary, and they the commercial banks are the banks which own own ownership and loan granted to customers. Investment banker and the underwriting and the interest on securities. And if you go by the investment banker, typically sell the public securities such as opposed to the private loan agreements. Investment bankers such as securities such as Microsoft stock and Tata Steel AAA bond represents a high degree of the safety and traded either public or approved deal. Investment banker, if you go by any other example, what's the functions of the investment banker in case of the company? If you want to go by the public, they will help in rising of the capital, and they will undertake the share price. Okay, they will finalize the book building price.